In this video, we'll go quickly through the front end and what we mean by that. You should obviously be somewhat familiar with the front end, the front page of your website, and how to manage content. Obviously, content goes to Front Page Manager, and that's going to take you to the area where you can edit all the articles that are on your front page. If you go to the menus and then down to the main menu and go to your home link, you can go change the parameters for that front page manager. This is really, when we talk about the front end, we're going to be tinkering with this home link and these advanced parameters, or pardon me, well, obviously we want to deal with the component here. So anything we want to overwrite in the article, manager, you had the main parameters link that set all the parameters for every article. This is how you're going to tinker with the front page and how things show up on the actual front page of your website, which is different than obviously the interior pages of your site. So you can override those article manager global settings, or the parameters inside the article manager can be overwritten here. These will only affect the things as they appear on the front page of your website. And then the system parameters, we can go, and obviously we showed some of this in the SEO videos, show the page titles, H1s, things like this. We can apply our own page suffix and whatnot. So in addition to that, when you come to the home page, currently we don't have a login module published on the, let's see, the default template for Joomla is the root flare. So there's no login. Let's see, go back to the home page. When we go to log in on here, okay, here we do. So let's log in as a super administrator on the home page. You can, as a super administrator, log in from your home page if you have the login form enabled on your site. And what you'll see is this little pad and paper that pop up. And what this does, this allows you to click on that, and you can actually edit the article directly from here. You don't have to log into the admin area necessarily in order to edit stuff. So you're going to get the same editor that you've got activated for your user. Everything that you can do on the back end, you can do from the front end. With this specific, the JCE editor, you can go ahead and, if you wanted to insert an image, you can upload things to the stories folder. And so it's using the JCE editor. It's extremely convenient from an administrative perspective. If you're an author or even a publisher and you log in and you're using the JCE editor, you can pretty much do everything you need to do to edit content and add content from the front end of your website, from the home page. Again, assuming you have a login form available to you. You'll notice as well that when you log in, you get a user menu here. Now, the super admins on your site, well, I should just say, with the user menu, you can obviously view your details, you can change your password, you can choose to submit an article, you can submit a web link, and you can log out. This user menu is editable from the back end, so as the super administrator, for instance, on a number of websites that we built, this is where we would put links to hidden areas for board members if they wanted to click on view documents or videos or any sort of hidden content. You can put links to it here in the user menu. In addition to that, you can put training videos, links to training videos or pages that have training videos on that here in the user menu as well for users once they're logged in. You can pretty much put anything you want in here. So, but the main thing is, wanted to show in this video, is the ability to edit content on your site very quickly from the front end. You just simply log in, click on the pad and paper, and go ahead and do whatever you need to do. It's actually pretty convenient regarding if you missed meta descriptions or keywords on specific pages, you can just do it. You can go through each individual page really quickly and add that stuff in as well. So when it comes to the front page, super admins may prefer to work in the admin area, but your registered users, if they're authors, publishers, managers, they may prefer to work from the front end because it's real simple. Give them a page. You can even obviously you could publish the login form on a deeper page on the Contact Us page or on the About Us page, and then folks that knew where it was could go log in to access specific things. So just wanted to show you that, and then Joomla again allows you to edit things from the front end really quickly, and when you're done, you simply hit save, and your changes will show live to the web. There is no preview mode. In this instance, you are making live changes to the website, so be careful, obviously, when you're making those changes as well. Hope that was helpful.